Hey guys, this is Shashank signing in from Get It Light with yet another brilliant product from Xiaomi the Mi Box. Let's get started. Well, first of all, we like to thank Banggood.com for this review unit and for a very quick delivery. We got this in just 90 days. But moving on further, the Mi Box comes with great features like Google Cast, 4K Ultra HD, voice search remote control, and a free stuff worth rupees $76. But the free stuff has been listed over here. The free stuff which you get from the Mi Box are much more valuable for the money, and this is the same unit currently selling in the US stores inside the Walmart. The free stuff you can find over here, that's Netflix, VUDU, Pandora, and much more. At the sides, there's a steps included for perfect installation, Android TV, and at the back, the feature has been listed over here. With the Google Cast, you can stream anything from your smartphone to the TV, 4K Ultra HD, HDR, Google Voice Search. Comes in built in the remote control, quad-core CPU, which handles every game you play on it. So without much delay, let's open it quickly. Let's see what we get inside it. Okay, here it is, the Mi Box. Slick in design. IR receiver over here. It's very sleek in design. There's the port given, the audio jack, HDMI cable, USB port, and power adapter. Let's keep this side, find what else we get. Okay, these are manuals for free guides. These must be an instruction guide. Warranty support. Let's keep this side. Let's think here is the HDMI cable. Nice. The power adapter. This basically is US power adapter. The batteries for remote control. And here, the beautiful remote control. Voice search, back, just manage control, navigation, power button. It comes very handy. Check out the Mi Box specification over here. No need to pay the customer as they send it as a gift. So this is for now we will be back with the full review, so stay tuned. And if you have some question, you can drop it in our comment section below. We will try to include it in our full review section. And you can get this Mi Box from Banggood.com for $83. Check out the links given below in the description. And till then, stay tuned for the full review of Mi Box. And do subscribe us and share it with your friends. And don't forget to like. Till then, bye and take care. Thank you.